This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Victoria Riley. Available April 2024. THRU DEC 2024. Rent this third-floor condo with open floor plan and unobstructed view from the kitchen through to the lanai with spectacular water views from all sides. Granite counters in the kitchen, lots of seating space in the living room, and this end unit has windows in the living room that you do not have in the interior units that let the light fill the room. There is a king bed in the main bedroom and a custom tiled walk-in shower in the adjoining bathroom. The lanai is nicely furnished and the icing on the cake is the expansive water view from almost every room. The second bath is conveniently located next to the second bedroom. The community heated pool is just a short distance from the condo along with a tennis court that has been lined for pickleball. Stoneybrook has a state-of-the-art clubhouse offering fine and casual dining, a large lap pool, a fitness room and har-tru lighted tennis courts. The golf course is being renovated, however, there are several reciprocal courses to play. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Riley at 954-693-0100.